2012 Lexus CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, Bluetooth, cruise control, front wheel drive, fog lamps, side airbags, carpeted floor mats, side curtain airbag, rear wiper, power outlets, push button start, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system, paddle shifters. Come take a test drive today.